My name's Kristy Glenister and I'm from Forecast Bookkeeping Ltd, and I started my practice on the 1st of August 2020. So I started off doing my other half's bookkeeping because there was not really any control over his finances, and his accountant only looked at stuff at the end of a quarter or year end, so there was a bit of a gap there. So I started doing his, and then our accountant suggested that I look into helping other people, so that's what I did. Getting other people's opinions on things and ideas to help you build your own practice is fantastic, especially when you're a sole director. You've got nobody else to brainstorm ideas with. So being here today, it's absolutely fabulous. I found the group, and it was just before they were about to run their September boot camp 2020. So I thought, I'll do that. It's free, and I'm definitely not going to sign up for it. And by the end of the week was, yep, I've got to sign up for that. That's it. I'm in. They were so approachable and friendly and full of such great information, and just having another sort of group of people that have all got each other's backs is fantastic. And Joe and Zoe will go above and beyond to make sure that we've got everything that we need to be able to be successful in our own practices. So I think it's invaluable, really.